Hey guys, wanna know how to add cinematic bars in DaVinci Resolve? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. So for this video, I'm going to give you some small tricks for it. So first of all, head towards effects and then insert any solid color. Drag and drop it to the timeline and make sure it is above the video. Now, once you've imported this solid color, head towards this icon right here. And once you've done that, make sure you are in inspector and under video. Now hit towards settings and here you can see transform. You can either do this manually by numbers, or what you can do is just simply click on this icon right here, which will bring out these borders. Now you can edit accordingly. So let's just lower it down and then add up here. And let's just copy and paste it to another one as well. So now after you have copy and pasted it, make sure it is above the videos still. Now drag it down and there you have it. Super simple and easy. Now your cinematic bars has been added. You can simply change the colors as well, and that's a great thing. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.